Hey guys, we're here, and today we are going to be doing another video. And I just got out of the shower, so rocking this new hairdo. And I'm going to be making slime with Elmer's glue and shaving cream and detergent. There's a lot of ingredients and glitter, you guys can see, and some green paint. So yeah, let's get started. So for me, I'm going to pour the whole bottle of glue in. And I chose white Elmer's glue because I don't know. I just wanted to, I guess. And yeah. So this is pretty cool, guys, but I must say this is the weirdest part. Mixing it up is the weirdest part. Because, like, it's just so weird. It looks like the bowl's cracked. As you can see, it looks like the bowl's cracked. That's just glue. So, put the glob on the side. Put the cap back on because you don't want the glue to spill. And yeah. And next, you are going to be adding the shaving cream. A lot of shaving cream I like. So, I've made almost all my slimes like this, so I hope this works out. And then you're going to take any spoon. This is the only spoon I could find. It's really big. It's not as big as you. Oh, guys, like, this is just so cool. That was just the foam. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And right now, guys, it just looks so good. And I haven't even added the color in yet, which is going to make it look disgusting. So now I'm going to add the green stuff in. I forgot that I have to open this. I'll open this later. So, probably going to have my mom do it while I'm doing the video. So you can just add like a little bit, and you can always add more later, but you can never take away. So, okay guys, like, look how cool that looks. Like, it looks pretty cool, guys, but okay, like, I think I'm just like gonna leave it like this. It's like a mint color. Tell me it's a lot lighter than it is on camera, so the camera's not getting it. But yeah. And this is just my third or fourth time making slime, guys, and they've turned out pretty good, I must say. But yeah, they're pretty cool. And so I'm gonna start adding the glitter now. So nothing. You didn't see that. That never happened. Okay. Mom, can you, like, how can I not open this? I'm an expert at opening these things. It's like they don't want. Hang on, I'll be back. I'll be back. It's back with scissors. It's pretty cool. Okay, sorry. Yeah, okay. I did it. So let's add some green into it. Guys, I almost don't want to, like, I don't want to make it slime anymore because it's, like, so pretty. My mom just got something. Okay, so guys, I'm going to add the glitter. And guys, this is like before I've mixed it. Like, just before I've mixed paint it, this is going to look amazing. Yeah, as you just saw, I just added that much glitter. This is almost white, guys. I really need to just add more paint. Okay, guys, so that was a little bit of a fail, but you can still see it. So I'm going to add orange. This color orange. Back to green. I don't know what This is my first time making slime with glitter, guys, so forgive me if this is just like, oh yeah, there we go, oh yeah, there we go. It looks a lot better now, guys, but still doesn't look like I want it to, but still, it's pretty good. But I'm going to try to add blue into it now, because all different colors. Perfectly fine, guys. Okay, the blue shows up. This literally looks so good, guys. Like, have you ever gone to the store and you asked for like a rainbow mint? I don't know, because that's what this looks like. You can't see it on camera, but I think it's time to start mixing the, please don't fall in. So guys, I'm going to start mixing the detergent. I'm using Gain. That works best for me. So yeah. And guys, sometimes when I am working with this slime, I overdo the, the detergent. But really, guys, for me, I always make my mistakes better, and I use a spoon. Excuse me. I use a spoon, and I just stir, and yeah. I never can actually add too much of this, so yeah. I don't know why I did that. Obviously, I sort of don't know what I'm doing. Okay. You never. And with my slime, it gets like separated, and it really doesn't. Sometimes, guys, it really doesn't get where I want it to. And I'm like, oh, this is gonna be a fail. It's never actually a fail. I just keep working on it. I just keep making it better. I keep finding ways to make it better, and I always just try to find a save by slime, because I just don't want to waste my slime. And yeah, guys, I love this so much. And guys, the one thing that you can always go back and add is glitter. Glitter is like something you can always add, because you can just always add glitter. Don't know why I just did that, guys. This is a complete fail now. How is this still sticky? Okay, guys, this is like so weird. It's 8:19. No. Yeah, you guys won't be able to see it. So, yeah. And the reason I haven't been posting, guys, I've just been so busy because I'm going to be moving soon. And that's a big thing because I have to move all this stuff I have. And now I'm going to go into with my hand and start mixing. With my hand. Sorry. I'm going to start mixing. I'm going to get all this slime off the spoon while I can. So, yeah. This is the first time I've ever really mixed with my hand. So, yeah. Oh, I said I was going to use my hand. And so, yeah. Guys, and so we are this is a pretty good slime. It turned out pretty good. And it smells pretty good. I mean, an A+ on the smells, but and guys, it should be able to turn like this. Your hands are going to be a little sudsy if you add a little too much, which I added a little too much, and you really can't add too much detergent because it always turns out good. It turns out a lot better like after a couple days of playing it, like when it dries a little bit. Because for me, I like let it dry out and it turns like really good. It turns like normal slime and it's really cool. And yeah, I think this is a really cool slime. So, it's really starting to form now. I'm not sure. If you see little colors in it, which you probably can't, you're seeing the glitter I put in, which was blue, orange, and green. I used up the most. I haven't even, really. I haven't even added the glitter yet. Like, I haven't even, like, added anything to, I haven't even added, like, the crunchy balls, and if you can hear that. This is, like, a really good thing, guys. If you didn't hear that, that was pointless for me to do that, but I'm going to do a bubble test to see if I can do it. Nope. Nope. Fail. Nope. Can't do it. But still, guys, this is a pretty cool slime. I'm going to move this bowl for you out of the way so you can see the slime a lot better. And the reason I can't just set it down is because I have something like a towel under me because I'm doing this on a wooden table. And if I get this dirty, I'll be in big trouble. So yeah. I'm definitely going to be posting a lot more, guys, but I've just been busy with school right now, and yeah. So I'll definitely be posting more, but that wasn't me. That was this slime. That was the slime. And so, bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button, and if it is red, you are not subscribed to my videos. You are not getting when I post my videos, and I'm going to be doing like a lot more LPS videos and all those fun stuff. I'm going to be doing a vlogging channel pretty soon, and a slime channel, and all that crazy stuff, and an unboxing channel, and all those channels. And if you don't click that red subscribe button, then you won't see those videos. You don't get to see them. And leave a like and comment down below what should I do for my next slime video. Like, what should I use, or like what video do you want me to do next? And an LPS Dare video I will be doing soon. So yeah, leave your comments down below, and bye, guys.